I'm Lennie Gail Mitcham, Executive Director of the Southwest Virginia Alliance for Manufacturing. We're a nonprofit organization that supports manufacturing all across Southwest Virginia. For many years now, we have done scholarships for students that are interested in pursuing a career in manufacturing in Southwest Virginia. And we had an idea this year to recognize at least a portion of those students who would be receiving scholarship awards through a signing day ceremony. What we wanted to do was recognize and celebrate these students that are going into manufacturing careers in Southwest Virginia. Shine a spotlight on those careers that will provide opportunities for them to excel and grow while making good money and getting good benefits and being able to, believe it or not, have a good work-life balance, which is important to all of us. So our goal was to assemble individuals that have helped guide these students from their parents to the K-12 system all the way through to manufacturing. And we brought students here today to recognize them through our ceremony. They signed a letter of intent where they told us that they intend and promise to pursue a career in manufacturing in Southwest Virginia. They received their scholarship award from SVAM. They received letters of intent from their intended college to provide their education. And they received 5 letters of intent from manufacturing companies across Southwest Virginia who promise and commit to providing an interview for each of these students upon completion of their education. This was a unique and very exciting opportunity to recognize these students as well as to celebrate Southwest Virginia manufacturing and the types of careers that they offer.